You're outside the library. Turn right and step down to the park level. Then cut diagonally to your right across the park. You'll end up on the opposite corner at I Street and 3rd Street.
As the years went by, the neighborhood fought more battles and the losses continued to add up. First, Joseph Owen Curtis watched while one shop owner refused to move, refused to accept the RLA's labeling of her shop as blighted. She refused to see a perfectly good building as decayed.
The slum clearance effort went smoothly until a hardware store owner challenged the U.S. government. Goldie Schneider claimed that even though her property was in the redevelopment area, it could not be taken because it was not a slum. The case ended up in the U.S. Supreme Court as Berman versus Parker. The court ruled that the property could be taken.
Once you get to I and 3rd Streets, stop at the corner.